Alright, YouTube, it's Brad again. This is the Bemin Kodiak Silver Sportsman RS2 series with the 22 caliber barrel as well. Now I went and got a bone collector, I believe that's what it's called, by Gammo, and I also got that really cool looking rifle that it said 1400 feet per second at Walmart. Now, needless to say, I was very pissed off when I shot him because I could tell if it's breaking the sound barrier just by the sound of the gun. Now this gun, and let me add, I have a Hatsan 125 sniper and a 125 sniper Vortec and a 22 caliber. Now the 125 sniper sounds similar to what I'm about to show you, but this one, this is the loudest 177 caliber I've ever seen. Now, I am using that PBA ammo, which they recommend not to use, but I'm going to see if it penetrates that board. And I have a scope off the Hatsan Vortec. It went through. There's the shot right there, and then there's the exit. Wow, you can see how thick that is. Alright, now I'm going to use a 177. Now I'm going to use a 10.5 grain. I'm going to use a 10.5 grain Crossman Premier and a 7.5. Here is the 7. I'm going to shoot just to the left of that one. Wow, major difference in the sound. And now the 10.5. Oh, I'll be damned. That one went through, and that one. The heavier pellet just blew right through it as well. Pretty impressive. I love it. I mean, I haven't even used the 22 caliber barrel yet. Everyone knows that's going to have more feet per energy, or whatever you call it. More foot-pounds of energy. Wow. Alright, last time I'm going to shoot a platinum just to get a idea of how loud this bad boy is. Damn, I mean, this scope is dead on. with the PBA ammo. $99 at Walmart. I'm telling you, man, this is by far the best buy for the money. I highly recommend it. Don't want to scrape it up there. Highly recommend this gun. The trigger is awesome. Now they do come with a piece of crap scope, so I put Hatsan's piece of crap scope on there, which was a little better. And they got that little solid steel perforated barrel, which you just unscrew that little screw and put the other one in. It's pretty simple. They give you the tools for that. But there you have it. The Sportsman Series RS2. By far the best buy. $100 at Walmart. Who says you got to pay $300 to get this kind of power? I mean, and the accuracy's there too. Go figure. They say if you shoot over 1,000 feet per second, the accuracy's not there. And this son of a bitch is shooting dead on.